It's no secret the economy has been shaky for a while now, for reasons, and most agency owners are terrified that their clients are going to ghost them. So even though we hopefully see the economy improve over the next few months, I'm going to show you the 3 niches that actually pay more in a downturn, plus the exact AI agent offer they buy at $500 to $1,000 monthly recurring retainer. If you're stuck without a clear niche or productized service, fighting for scraps while big agencies scoop up all the clients, this is what we've got from looking across all different industries, looking at the market, seeing what adjusts to the economy, and doing some real actual research, I know, to see what actually works better during an economic downturn compared to everything that struggles. So stick with me for the 3 niches, why they thrive when others slash budgets, and plug and play AI agents that you can demo in 2 minutes that can save businesses thousands in staff while spiking your pipeline. But obviously you can't know how to pick a good niche unless you understand why 95% of agencies that fail in a bad economy get crushed. The problem is that most agencies sell fluffy visibility or branding to clients that are particularly susceptible to downturns. So I'm thinking like e-commerce stores, restaurants, those services that are absolutely the first cuts whenever cash gets tight for consumers. Think about it. When revenue drops 30%, the marketing retainer that promises more eyeballs feels like a luxury gamble that's just not working, not a necessity. Businesses only keep paying for services that tie straight into protecting their core revenue, slashing immediate costs, or capturing leads that they literally cannot afford to miss. Vague promises like better online presence die overnight. That's why generalists end up scrambling for one-off gigs while niche players quietly book $1,000 per month plus retainers month after month. A lot of people think that in a downturn, these budgets might just kind of get cut a little bit or trimmed, but in reality, they just vanish overnight. And most businesses that are hit by these, like restaurants, enter into survival mode, cutting any and everything that's not going to immediately help them. But even someone like a plumber who's always in demand, if you got a leak, you need a plumber regardless, just doesn't really care about posting Instagram reels when pipes are bursting. They need calls answered at 3 a.m. Your generalist agency pitching social media growth gets ghosted, while the specialist delivering booked jobs gets renewals automatically. So the mistakes that a lot of people make are chasing exciting niches like gyms or retail that sound sexy, but collapse at first. The fix is to target businesses that are absolutely necessary or even more critical during downturns. Businesses that handle home emergencies, financial emergencies, or things that just can't be put off, like 24-hour locksmiths. But like I mentioned with Instagram, you can't just target these with any other service. You need to be able to offer something that gives them a clear return on investment. And offering AI agents might cut their support staff costs by over 50%, while grabbing 24/7 leads that they miss entirely right now. These are the types of productized offers that hit $497 or more per month because owners can see clear ROI in one 10-minute demo call. No endless trust building meetings, no portfolio flexing required. You save them money immediately on constant staffing. You boost revenue from leads that they leave on the table every night, and you prove it all live right there on the phone. That single mindset shift from hoping for leads to owning the inbound pipeline unlocks your first niche. Let's go ahead and dive in. So niche 1 is essential local services. I'm talking plumbers, HVAC techs, roofers, locksmiths, the heroes that people call at 2 a.m. regardless of recessions, because emergencies like burst pipes, flooding basements, heating failures in 20-degree temperatures, storm damaged roof, or locked out families don't wait for better economic time. Demand actually holds steady or spikes as homeowners defer maintenance during tough years, then face compounded crises. These 24/7 operations charge premium surcharges for off-hour service. Think $250 emergency calls versus $99 for a regular weekday. But they might miss 30 to 50% of potential revenue from unanswered calls every single night, since staffing around the clock without eating 20% margins is impossible for independent business owners. So picture this, a plumber gets 5 after-hours voicemails weekly, let's say. They follow up days later, half went to competitors who answered instantly. That's $5,000 or far more lost monthly per business. Pure profit they bleed because no one's there to pick up. You can walk in with the fix that they crave without making it harder on them. In fact, you're making things easier. AI agents solve this perfectly. You can have voice bots that answer their business line instantly, 24/7, 365, or just after hours. They can qualify leads conversationally with is this a leaky pipe flooding now, or lockout needing immediate help? They can integrate directly with Google Calendar to schedule appointments, or their scheduling app to book jobs on the spot. And they can also text owners only when they have verified hot leads with full details. No irrelevant work that they don't even do, no tire kickers wasting time or forcing callbacks. This could easily save $2,000 or more per month on night dispatchers, on-call pay, or overworked family answering phones, while boosting confirmed bookings from that captured after-hours goldmine. Owners light up because it turns lost revenue they tolerated into printed money flowing straight to their bank, often paying your monthly fee in the first week's extra jobs. Now for the sales magic, you can demo it live right there in your pitch meeting. They can hear the perfect AI voice, they can see it book a fake emergency, and they can calculate the math on how much more that can make them, and you all live happily ever after. As a side note, I actually have a video where I do a live walkthrough demo. I demonstrate a voice AI agent that I built, and then I actually show you how to build one for yourself so you can see how to do it. It's not all that scary. Go watch that video right after this one, and you can get a feel for exactly what I'm talking about. And with that AI agent, you can actually sell it basically as this sort of a thing. Let's say you have a simple $697 per month retainer. You sell it as your 24/7 emergency closer that pays for itself in just 2 jobs. That's a super easy yes because the numbers scream obvious. They see $2,000 saved plus $3,000 gained compared to your fee, and they're easily making that money back immediately. If they're hooked and they really want to take it to the next level, you can pair it with a quick local SEO tweak like Google Business Profile Optimization for a $997 upsell bundle. But honestly, AI agents alone are going to close the vast majority of your deals because the pain is so acute and so obvious. They can see immediately. They don't have an AI agent, they have an AI agent, and they can see what the effects would be. If they say they're too busy, the demo takes 2 minutes. If they're worried about having to deploy it on their site or maintenance on it, that's exactly what you do. You handle all of that for them. If you land one plumber at $697 and then scale to 5 in a niche, boom, that's $3.5 thousand recurring revenue. And by that time, you can create these and train them in half an hour to an hour a piece. Then the maintenance is really just any kind of adjustments that they want to make. You'll pay attention and tweak it if any issues arise, but for the most part, out of the box, you'll know what to do. However, if you're not that interested in this home services side of things or emergency services, then you might be more interested in the white collar side of business. So this next niche might be more your style. Now this is cash flow and finance focused businesses. So I'm thinking like tax pros, accountants, loan brokers, credit repair specialists. As terrible as it is, these all see demand explode in bad economies as the rest of us scramble slash tax bills before April, fix wrecked credit scores from missed payments, restructure crushing debt loads, or snag emergency loans amid mass layoffs and pay cuts. There's actually a term for this kind of group of things. They're all called counter-cyclical profession, meaning that their demand actually rises when the rest of the economy struggles. If you look at search volumes for things like tax debt relief near me or bad credit loans local, those skyrocket in recessions. And for these businesses, it's a pure volume play. They get completely buried during peak seasons, like even in good years, tax deadline rushes or year-end planning. And it can be really hard for them to keep up with those inbound inquiries because they're heads down in client filings with zero bandwidth for proper intake or follow-up, even if they have the ability to do the work itself. So let's say an accountant fields 15 calls daily during tax season. They miss 5 because the phone rings out, and those leads book with hungrier rivals. Multiply by, let's say, $2,000 average client value, and that's $10,000 plus evaporated weekly. They know what happens, but they can't hire receptionists without killing margins, or the receptionists are overworked and so are their phones. Meanwhile, custom AI agents can handle all of the chaos. They can field every call or text 24/7 automatically, answer calls that would otherwise go to voicemail or get unanswered. They can qualify ruthlessly with targeted questions like how much IRS debt are you facing, or how did you file your taxes last year? Do you have any, what kind of additional income do you have? How has your family situation changed? Anything that might give them more information that they can use to auto book consults into their calendar and email intake forms directly to the potential client. Doing this alone could slash no-shows by sending out reminders and helping your tax accountant client capture all those off-hours leads competitors sleep through. So again here, your AI agent probably saves them around $2,000 or more minimum on receptionists or virtual assistants, while upping revenue through higher conversion rates and lightning fast closes that beat manual follow-up. Again, in downturns, a lot of these businesses don't just survive, they thrive on desperate volume, making your agent their massive unfair edge over slower operators. Again, you can pitch simple $697 a month retainer, AI intake that turns every single inquiry into paying client overnight. No more missed calls killing your pipeline. And you can do that same kind of demo that I mentioned, that live demo where I demo an AI agent for you and I show you how to build one, the exact step-by-step process. And then in this demo, your customer can hear the bot qualify a lead, book the sale, send forms, and even send them an email with the conversation summary. And that's where you really hit that magical balance of you're not only saving them money on one thing, but you're also making them more money on the other side. This is perfect for cost squeeze times when every lead equals survival for a lot of industries, but these businesses are overwhelmed trying to handle the volume. Because it's such a clear advantage, it's also really easy to sell up front. So if someone says that it's too expensive, you can say, well, it pays back in just one client. If the whole integration concept is scary, let them know it's plug and play and you can set it up entirely for them. They won't have to worry about a thing. I show you in my video how to do that with Google Tag Manager. So they only need to deploy the code once months, you can handle all that work with their website admin or their dev team or whoever really, really easy. If they're worried about compliance, there are also compliance workflows like HIPAA, for example. And again, this is another thing where if you scale to 4 to 6 clients, that's over $3,000 in monthly recurring revenue. That's recession proof. So this next one is a little morbid, and I was kind of hesitant to include it, but it's just factually true that it's in higher demand in bad economies and recessions. So I'm talking about the death and senior care services markets. Again, not trying to be morbid here, just did my research, trying to share some facts with you. I'm talking about funeral homes, mortuaries, cremation services, plus senior care like in-home aides or assisted living referrers. This niche hits harsh reality. Death rates hold rock steady no matter what, or even actually tick up with age demographics plus economic stress factors like layoff-related health declines and delayed care. So like it or not, this is an ultra recession-proof industry because the need is 100% inelastic. Families search desperately 24/7 for a cremation near me now, or in-home elder care urgent during literal life crises, often at 2 a.m. after hospital calls. Small independent operators might miss these high-value leads without constant phone coverage, handing them to big chains with 24/7 call centers. Now, admittedly, I have not gone into this industry, so it's definitely one that I would consider. I have not actually gone into it yet, and I could see some hesitancy to say, oh, let's just use AI agents to answer phones when someone's calling about deceased loved one. However, again, I feel the need to at least point out that this industry is there, and maybe you don't want to offer AI agents, but you primarily offer local SEO or paid ads or something else that can help them. But let's bear in mind this scenario. So let's say a family calls a funeral home at midnight after an ER loss. It rings to voicemail, and so they panic and they're calling the next place, or the next place, or the next place. They're basically just looking for anyone to answer. If instead you do have an AI agent there and you're able to put in the personality so it's comforting, it's consoling, it doesn't sound robotic, that can actually really help a local funeral home, and that could be like $5,000 or more average funeral arrangement cost that they would have otherwise lost to a competitor. So in busier areas, that could be $20,000 or more per month. Similarly, pre-need planning also surges in uncertainty as the population ages and they get their affairs in order. And they think about the worst case scenarios if something were to happen. They don't want their families to deal with debt and deal with a lot of the heaviness that comes with figuring that out. Now, again, you may not want to go with AI agents for this. I think it would be fine, but I would approach it with care. You can have them step in as compassionate intake pros. On the website, they can answer sensitively with warm, I'm so sorry for your loss. How can we gently help you right now? They can qualify needs softly again with, do you need an immediate arrangement, or is this a pre-planning consultation? And they can guide people through options conversationally. At the same time, they can still book consultations seamlessly and text directors with information that are only from qualified families with full log details for perfect handoffs. No emotional interruptions where they have to explain the situation twice because the director has all of that in the actual conversation transcript. This could free owners from $1,500 a month staffing gaps for overnight coverage, capture a lot more inquiries, especially for nights and weekends when many searches happen, and then also just decrease the director burnout from constantly being on call and having to answer the phone. Even deep in economic slumps, pre-need funerals that are planned ahead jump again as uncertainty rises. Your agent is able to capture all of this. These packages, you might go with $497 or $597 a month. Call it something like this: you're always on family liaison that fills high value services without extra hires or stress. You can customize the AI personality, carefully design questions and answers, and ensure it's trained to handle a difficult time with the utmost care so that it provides gentle and genuine comfort. In this one in particular, you know that these services, the business owners are going to want to hear exactly how it might sound. So I recommend that you build a demo agent up front, train it on a sample set of data or sample website, and let them ask it questions on the phone as though they're a grieving spouse or loved one. And that way you can overcome those objections such as, this is too sensitive of a topic for AI, by training it on compassionate scripts that they would use for their staff. The ROI on this is also really clear. So one arrangement might pay for 6 months or more of your actual service. Again, 5 clients in this niche and you're looking at $3,000 or more of recurring revenue. Here's why these niches beat the generalists who just chase anyone who will pay today. Picking any industry that's out there means that you can lose everything overnight when their budgets just vanish. But if you niche deep into these thorough resilient powerhouses that are going to help you build true expertise, laser sharpen your pitches with insider pains, and let you reuse battle-tested AI agent templates across 10 or more clients per niche, then you can do really well. These AI agents scale infinitely. No per client custom dev. All you're doing is tweaking it and training it on that specific client's data, but you've already got the vast majority of the prompts that you need just conditioned through your work. Let's say you've got 3 core prompts per niche, you just tweak them per client. Demo once per prospect in 10 minutes total, 2 minutes for the demo, and then another 8 minutes just talking about it. And then you can collect recurring revenue forever while sleeping. There's no reason they'll want to give these up. What I would do is go ahead and stack massive leverage here. So make the 3 different demo bots. If you're going to do these 3 niches, for example, record these specific demo videos as free lead magnets, and then fire up Smart Directory AI to build the lead gen directories for your city plumbers hub or Houston, Texas tax relief directory, funneling businesses straight to your proven AI agent offers via automated emails. So you've got one directory, you've got your agents there ready for demo. All of your outreach is on autopilot through Smart Directory AI. So there's no cold calling where everyone's hanging up on you. You're actually connecting and getting warm leads. So for an example of a local directory, not one of these industries, you can look at my directory at roundrockbusinesses.com or check out my video where I build an industry specific directory. That's another really good one to show you how you could use this, how you could use Smart Directory to target one of these industries or more. AI agents in particular are great for people starting out because if you don't have a big portfolio or testimonials, you have this live 10-minute demo that can be your unbreakable proof, showing the exact kind of ROI that you can provide someone by giving them these AI agents. All right, so you've now got 3 bulletproof downturn niches and plug and play AI agent offers that can slash costs from $2,000 a month, spike revenue 25% or more for a business, and that you can sell via 10-minute live demos without a fancy portfolio or years of experience required. The agencies that are quietly thriving right now all execute with clear, simple systems. You can skip the tech headaches, custom coding, or manual outreach grind. Grab Smart Directory AI today to launch your niche directories in hours or your local directory in hours. Add the businesses that you want in your directory and that you want to reach out to, and Smart Directory automatically puts them into business listings, beautifully displayed in your directory instantly. Then you can just trigger the pre-built outreach flows that'll reach out to these businesses and get you usually between 4 and 8% response rates, far superior to cold email. This is what's going to get your foot in the door to convert them into paying clients. There's a link in the description below where you can try it absolutely free and maybe even get your first agency client before you even pay for a thing. And if you want to build and deploy your first AI agent right now, watch my demo video where I build an AI agent for an auto shop. It walks you through creating the AI agent from scratch in less than an hour, step by step, ready to copy for plumbers or anyone else. Again, link in the description. If you're having any kind of economic fear or uncertainty, especially for your agency, you can absolutely turn that into a strength by going after niches that are not only recession proof, but also thrive in a bad economy. All right, that's all for now. See you all in the next one.